Hi guys, it's Logan Vlogs here. So today I'm going to be doing a review on the Chefield multi-tool axe utility style knife. So the first test I'm going to be doing is the sharpness test with the knife. So I'm going to be doing it on the end. So off the bat, it's not very sharp at all. So like when I carve it, like tiny shard pieces, about that come off, like basically nothing. Then once I actually get down to the core or the inner part of the branch, it doesn't do anything. So now moving on to the axe. So it has a little black cover. It comes in a sheath so that it's protected. But so I'm just gonna hit this 3 times with the axe and see how much damage it does. Okay, so it didn't do very much damage. It cut about that much off. It's not very much damage, but I could snap it in half fairly easily. So next I'm going to be testing out the hammer. So first I'm going to be hitting this. So I'm going to hit it once and see what damage it does. And if I miss, I'll just try it again. So yeah. Okay. So on this tin piece here, it hit that, but it didn't. So this is not connected. It's just pushed down into there with what it seems to be a hydraulic press. So it hit it. It didn't go all the way through. Wasn't very hard hit. It was supposed to be like that. Yeah. Alright, so next I'm going to be hitting this with the hammer. So it doesn't seem as though this is very strong. This hammer isn't really the best. I mean, it's just a little square on the back of it. So I'm just going to hit it 3 times with it on an angle. So, and we're going to see how much damage it does. Okay, so just about no damage. There's a little bit of cracking in the side here, so it seems like another hit and it probably would have broke. I'll just break it. Yeah, so not much damage to the actual hammer. There's a couple little dents and dings. Yeah. So since it is a multi-tool, I have to show you what it has. So it has the actual knife, a saw, a wedge, and another weird saw, and it also has a ruler and a file, and then it has a screwdriver and a bottle opener, and then of course the axe, a nut bolt thing, I don't know what, bolt, screw, and then the actual hammer. Yep. Okay, well, looks like I can't put it in there, so that's the Chefield multi-tool.